It's our set.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Serendipia. My name is Viridiana for those of you who are new here, and I like to make lifestyle videos based on my experiences that I've gone through throughout my high school, college, and currently adult life. So if you're interested in those kind of videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button and let's get started. Wow, the amount of times I have recorded this video is unbelievable. First of all, I don't have the proper equipment to even make full body length videos. Like, I don't have good lighting in this house. I feel like I have okay lighting, but not to make videos. And this intro has been so hard for me to record also for whatever reason. The last time I recorded it, I thought I was doing a great job and then realized I never pressed record. Okay, enough ranting. Anyway, despite the whole venting and ranting I just did about the difficulty of making this video actually is kind of fun. At least to watch. It was fun the first few times that I recorded it too. But it's definitely fun to watch, and I definitely had fun picking out my outfits. But as you read in the title, this video is an outfit inspo video coming from a girl with very little to no fashion sense. And you know what? I may have played with brats when I was younger, but that did not make me a fashionista. I seem to have missed those lessons where people experiment with their fashion and develop these very unique styles that just seem to kind of like fly over my head. I don't know what happened. Right now, I'm currently in a hoodie with some leggings, and that's okay because I'm actually gonna go and, dress up for this video because outfit video. Anyway, rambling. Moving on. So yeah, I feel like I never actually developed a very unique style. I really do like dressing up and I like feeling cute and stuff like that. And when I was in college, I felt like I put a little bit more of an effort to dress up and just try all these different outfits and just was really inspired with like very funky outfits from the 80s and 90s and stuff like that. But as I've grown older and have left college and have been pushed into the adult world doing more adult things with an adult job, I still feel like a baby pretending to be an adult. Anyway, I realized that my style has subdued more than what it already was. So I feel like my style is more neutral and minimal and still looks a little bit put together when I actually try, but I definitely don't feel that comfortable wearing patterns and stuff like that. Like, I really enjoy looking at these people, but I personally feel like I wouldn't have the confidence to wear stuff like that just because, while I like how it looks on them, I realize that that's not really my style. So this video is definitely for those of you who may not be comfortable wearing multiple prints and patterns, may not be comfortable with these very interesting silhouettes, or may not be comfortable with wearing very vibrant colors on a day-to-day basis to go get groceries, maybe to go to class, stuff like that. I definitely will be making more outfit videos like this in the future for different situations and environments, like for example how I dress going to work, how I dress for a night out with the girls or a date night. But for today's video specifically, I will be showing y'all outfit ideas that I tend to wear quite a lot on a day-to-day basis for more of a casual, less daring, and more realistic outfit. Anyway, I just wanted to show off my outfits basically. I feel like I like my outfits sometimes and I just want to show them off, and I'm using this video to show them off. With that said, let's go ahead and jump straight into the video, and hopefully I press record this time and hopefully we get through it. Let's go. Okay y'all, I know I said I was not going to shop at Aritzia anymore and was going to try my best to spend my money in more sustainable and ethical companies. Well, I ate my words here and ended up purchasing a few items from Aritzia. I'm so sorry. I'm still trying to make it a goal of mine to shop more sustainable and ethical, but for now, I will make the move a little bit more slowly. Anywho, enough of that. This first outfit is a go-to summer outfit that I really enjoy. I'm wearing the Babaton Contour Thong bodysuit with a square neckline in black from Aritzia. It is in size extra large, but I feel like a large or even a medium would have been fine. Usually, I size up with bodysuits to avoid wedgies, but I think a large or a medium would have been okay here. I really enjoy the bodysuit quite a lot because it's thick enough that I don't need to use a bra, but with very breathable material. Almost feels like a bathing suit. I got it in a thong style, but I believe they have some with full coverage. I feel that this basic piece is so versatile and can be used in multiple different ways. A classic bodysuit is definitely a must-have. I paired it up with the Sunday Best Mood Mom Shorts in 90s medium blue from Aritzia as well. Unfortunately, I cannot find them on their online store, shorts, so they may not carry them anymore, but these are the only pair of denim shorts I own and absolutely love them. They are long enough where I don't get any kind of chafing, and the material is a very good quality that will hopefully last me a long while. They are high-waisted, which helps me accentuate my very little curves, and I love the color. I have worn these shorts a lot and I wish I got them in a washed out blue color as well when they had them. They are in a size 31 and I usually wear a size 30, so I had to use a belt since I did lose a little bit of weight, but I feel like the belt ties the outfit together. Lastly, I threw on my docs, but can be worn with sneakers if you like. I feel that the belt and the docs give it a more grunge style, which I'm totally here for. The next outfit is like my cottagecore girly self met my 2010 Avril Lavigne angsty preteen self and had a baby, and this is the baby. I used to love wearing sneakers and combat boots with dresses and skirts when I was younger to show that I did not conform to the girly girl expectations that society had for me. But basically, I was just a pick-me girl, I shamefully admit. But this outfit still makes me feel super cute and girly while still making me believe I can squash my enemies with my boots. I thrifted this outfit from ThredUp, not sponsored. I have on this white crop top that ruches from the front. It has a very gorgeous detailing. The frilly lettuce hems and puffy sleeves definitely make me feel cute. This top may be a size large, but it's still a very tiny piece of fabric, so I paired it up with this black flower print maxi skirt to complete the picnic vibes. The skirt is in the size medium, but I've worn it so much that the elastic has stretched out and I need to tailor it again pretty soon. And oh my god, I cannot believe I forgot to show you that it has pockets. Believe it or not, this skirt has pockets and has been my favorite for that very reason. I really don't understand why people think women's clothing does not deserve proper pockets. It's a crime. And of course, I paired it with my docs to contrast with the sweet cottage girl vibe I had going on. You can obviously pair this up with whatever shoes you want, but I'm definitely making my preteen self proud with these docs. On to the next outfit. Did someone call Princess Jasmine? But seriously, this outfit makes me feel like Princess Jasmine. I'm pretty sure it's just the pants. Again, I'm wearing the same top from before. Having neutral color blouses are so versatile and easy to pair up with more vibrant colors or different patterns. Although I could have paired this outfit with a different top, I wanted to show that it is fine to reuse pieces. Don't feel pressure to have to buy new pieces just to get a different outfit. This is why, although my pieces on their own may be basic, they can still be used interchangeably. Enough with the lecture. I paired it up with these very flowy and comfortable pants. They are not scrubs. I am not a nurse. They may look a bit like scrubs, but they actually kind of remind me of old lady pants because of the material. It is a very breathable and drapey material without being see-through. Perfect for summer weather if for whatever reason you haven't shaved and don't want to show your legs. But I actually haven't shaved my legs in this video and you probably couldn't tell, so it doesn't really matter. I don't know the size of these pants because when I actually thrifted them, they did not have a tag on them. For this outfit, I used my white Cali Sport women's sneakers from Puma. I just bought these shoes and I basically live in them. They're my go-to shoes because you can never go wrong with the white classic pair of sneakers. I really like these because they have a bit of a platform and give me about 2 centimeters of height. I'm 5'4" for those of you who may be curious. I definitely feel like these shoes tie the outfit together. This outfit definitely makes me feel like a mixture of the 50s bathing suits with a modern twist, if that makes any kind of sense. For this outfit, I definitely was a little more daring. I'm wearing my favorite top of all times that I thrifted years ago from a local thrift store. It's a cute off-the-shoulder polka dot crop top that is cinched at the waist. I use this top so much, I'm surprised there still is no wear and tear signs on it. I paired it up with these salmon colored high-waisted shorts that I also thrifted. I actually thrifted this outfit together for the Flogna Festival in 2018. These shorts are the most flattering pair of shorts I have ever owned. They especially make my booty look amazing. I have them rolled up here, but they are a little longer, which avoids the amount of chafing going on. These shorts are in a size large, and I forgot to mention that the top is in a size medium. And again, I'm wearing my Pumas. Nothing much to say about that. Let's move on to the last outfit of the video. I deadass tried to slide on carpet with shoes on. My dumbass. I was very hesitant to show you all this outfit because I have never worn this out before. I'm actually saving this outfit for this weekend. I have a special weekend coming up and I might actually vlog, but we'll see. Anyway, I absolutely love this outfit. I'm usually very hesitant about wearing jumpsuits because I have a very small torso with very long legs. So usually they don't fit me like they should. But this jumpsuit is amazing. I recently recently bought this overall style jumpsuit from Breath of Youth. It is the Two Hearts, Two Friends jumpsuit in a size large. It is in a tannish color and the material is so lightweight and breathable, perfect for spring and summer, and it is so comfortable and I love how it fits on me, and I'm just in love with this jumpsuit. I loved it. It is a little bit on the pricier side, just letting you all know. I paired it up with the off-the-shoulder top that my partner's parents brought me back from Mexico actually like 2-3 years ago. It's super cute on its own. I actually recently tailored it because it was starting to fit big, so you can't actually tell that I took it completely apart, so that's pretty cool. And of course I'm wearing my Pumas because they're comfy and tie the outfit together. But yeah, this is the last outfit. Catch me wearing it in my next vlog if I decide to vlog this weekend. So yeah, those were some casual outfits that I like to wear on a day-to-day basis when I'm putting a little bit extra effort, want to feel a little bit cuter, more put together, instead of just wearing hoodies and some leggings or hoodies and some jeans. I hope y'all like the variety that I gave y'all. These items I wear quite a lot. You probably even have seen some of those items in previous videos, but I definitely wear these pieces quite a lot. They make me feel comfortable, they make me feel cute, they fit good to my body. What was I saying? But I definitely had fun filming this video. Although I did complain at the beginning of the video, I still had fun recording it. But I definitely want to continue to make these kind of outfit videos, like I said in the beginning, for different situations, events, and environments. Obviously this one was a little bit more geared towards summer since we are in summer weather. But yeah, I hope y'all like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and hit that notification button so you can get notified of when I upload. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, and I will see y'all next time. Bye bye.